Hey, Carl from DayTradeToWin.com here. Okay, so what we're looking at here are the first two Atlas line day trading signals we got for the day. Here's the first one, produced a nice profit of about 5 points. That means $250 per contract that you trade, and it took less than 5 minutes to make that profit, so that's pretty good. I then got another signal here at 25.86. The market is currently in a pullback following the signal, but these long shadows on the candles, they tell me that the market is not going lower. It's not able to close lower, so the line of least resistance is up. We can also take a quick look at the day's trade scalper signals. Let me open up a 1 minute chart here, and I'll add the indicator, the trade scalper. Here we go. So these are the trade scalper signals that we got for today. We're looking for quick profits. This is a scalping strategy that's very popular. We got a few super trades here. Let me go back to the Atlas line here just to see. All right, but also these other ones were pretty good. So most of these signals were good. Some of these really stood out, and let's just leave this window open here while I wait to get filled. I'd really like to get filled at 25.85, but the signal came in at 25.86, so that's also going to be okay, but I'll try to get filled at 25.85. Enter the limit order here, but the market seems to be moving upwards already, so I might just as well enter my order at 25.86, and there I'm filled one contract E-mini S&P 500. So the market could pull back more here, but as long as it doesn't close below the Atlas line, I'm not too worried. Even if it closes below the Atlas line, if it bounces off of the Atlas line, then I'm going to keep my position open. Quite often the market just bounces off of the Atlas line. The Atlas line acts as support or resistance. And these long shadows here tell me that the market is not able to close down. It's not able to move down. So the line of least resistance is up. But like I said, the market may go down and test the Atlas line, the blue line. Okay, I will just leave the chart open here. I'll try to speed up the video before I publish it, otherwise it will be like watching paint dry. Anyway, for this trade I'm looking for 5 points of profit at least, but I'll adjust according to what the market does. Here we can just watch if the market is able to move down. Those long shadows that I indicated with those blue lines, those shadows tell me that the market tried to go down, but it wasn't able to. The candles always closed at the middle, and that's not the price action behavior that you would expect if the market was heading lower. If that was the case, the candles would close at the lows. Right now the market is going against me. If it closes below the Atlas line, I'm probably going to exit, unless it turns around immediately and bounces off the Atlas line. Because the market can bounce right off the Atlas line, and that itself is a powerful trading signal as well. But today I'm only trading the big main signals that the Atlas line gives me. So let's see what the market does here. It might close below the Atlas line, but let's cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, so the market did close below the Atlas line. Let's see what happens here. The market could well bounce off of the Atlas line, and that itself would be a day trading signal that the Atlas line gives you. And it looks like the market is strong here. It bounced off of the Atlas line, and that's why I will keep my position open, because the bounce here, that's a pretty good trading signal in itself. Nice big green candle here. This looks great. I'm already in profit, 2 points, 2.5, 275. This is going great. Okay, going down a bit, but I do expect it to move up from here. So our bullish candle closed here. Let's see what happens the next 5 minutes. The market is very strong here. I probably don't want to settle for just 5 points as it looks now. I think 6 points might be what I can realistically expect right now. The market did break out through the previous resistance here. The market might reverse and come down from here, so I think I will just secure 6 points of profit. That would mean $300 per contract traded. If you trade 10 contracts, that would be $3,000 for 20 minutes of your time. Right now I'm up about 7 points here. Let's see if the market still moves higher. Otherwise I will settle for 6 points. So is it going to the moon? Let's see. There's another trading signal, but I'm not going to open another position. I'm happy with the one I have. Okay, so the market has come down a little bit here. I think I am going to close out my position at 6 points here. Alright, 6 points in the bank. Imagine if I had entered at 25.85 and closed at 25.92.75, the high. I could have made almost $3,900 in 20 minutes, but of course 6 points, that's 6 points. That means $300 because 1 point is $50 per contract that you trade. So on a 10 contract position it would have been $3,000. By the way, the Atlas line is available at a discount right now. Go to DayTradeToWin.com and get it. Enter the discount code 10OFF DTTW at the checkout. That's 10OFF DTTW. Enter that at the checkout. With trades like this, that investment will pay itself back in a few days.